Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, power liftgate, daytime running lights, fog lamps, remote trunk release. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.